Why is error handling such a vital part of JavaScript? Well, ponder this. What happens when an unhandled error occurs? It can result in unpredictable behavior or worse, cause the application to crash. But fear not, JavaScript provides a way to catch these unhandled exceptions, and it's called global error handling. Now, how does one go about setting up global error handling in JavaScript? There are two prominent methods, and the first one involves using window.onerror. The window.onerror event handler is an omnipresent guard that springs into action whenever an uncaught JavaScript error occurs. It's like a safety net for unhandled errors at the global level. Here's an example of how you can set it up. In your JavaScript code, simply assign a function to window.onerror. This function should take 5 parameters: message, source, lineno, colno, and error. You might then log the error or perform other actions. For instance, you might write something like this: window.onerror equals sign function, message, source, lineno, colno, error. These parameters provide valuable information about the error, such as the error message, the source file where the error occurred, the line number, column number, and the error object itself. But that's not the only way. You can also latch on an event listener for the error event to the window object using the addEventListener method. This approach offers a more flexible, modern way to handle errors. Here's how it can be done. Window.addEventListener, error, function event. The error event object comes with properties such as message, file name, lineno, colno, and error, which provide information about the error. So there you have it, setting up global error handling in JavaScript. By implementing this, you can catch and handle any unhandled errors in your JavaScript code. This not only improves the robustness of your application, but makes it more reliable. So go on, give your application that extra layer of protection it deserves.